Hi, I'm Ryan, the product manager and CPSD from BabyTrend. And today, I'll be showing you how to install the Cover Me and forward facing using Latch. First, make sure the harness height on the car seat is at or above the child's shoulders. Unclip the top tether from the storage position on the car seat and place over the headrest. Unclip the latch connectors from their storage positions on the car seat. Make sure the latch is threaded through the forward-facing belt path. Refer to your vehicle's manual to locate the proper latch position and latch anchors. This is where you'll be installing your car seat. Place the car seat in the determined position in your vehicle. Make sure the car seat is reclined to one of the forward-facing positions by squeezing the recline handle while adjusting the car seat. You can loosen the latch webbing in order to facilitate the installation. Depending on your model, you may have quick-release connectors or J-hook. Now, clip the latch connectors onto your vehicle's latch anchors. If you have quick-release connectors, make sure that the indicator window turns green. Confirm they are firmly attached by pulling outward on the connectors. I like to lift the car seat fabric to get better access to the belt path during installation. Thread the loose webbing through this belt path to make sure you get a proper angle for tightening. You should pull on the webbing ends following the same angle as the installed webbing. Proper installation using latch requires that the latch webbing be very tight. So now, you'll use either your knee or hand to press down hard on the car seat while pulling towards the car seat on the webbing ends. Now, you'll attach the top tether onto your vehicle's tether anchor and pull it to confirm it's firmly attached. Pull on the free end of the top tether webbing in the direction of the installed webbing until all slack is removed. To make sure that the seat is tight, grasp the belt path and move it side to side and front to back. If it moves less than an inch where the latch webbing meets the car seat, then you have a good installation. And now, you're ready to go. Feel free to check out more of our how-to and installation videos provided with you in mind.